Adom TV Badwam and when you boost for emotion and brave you do some day I can see more and some bromidine at Dinyameba Bernard Padibutra Sadakesi and Common Bed Power. Yes, Bed Power. Now what you ye me ba me do almost ye Nyameba ye disika boy say what he na bossy. Inti alopedi obia sorted, obia sorted, cameraman, sound, director, so obia sorted, Bed Power. Now what you ye omobo Italian Syria omoto ho. German Bundesliga and Sassi now so DFP poker cap equals for Omuchai Omudi Sasuna EP on so equals Omudi and Obi Madrid to play draw. Odie. So Odi no pocho and one Bed Power na se wakame ho na bibia atodwa ama omo ene dwuma kwa so masene se mefa aguken ensem tempa so yen shase enfi the European leagues ashase odani weni e de EPL na wotwe na enya fedi agro Manchester City omo bo Chelsea e kame no awentimi ensi Madaraka Haaland, yes, he was on target. Arsenal first match both matches set to join a more than papa. Arsenal for any United for any Chelsea for a bleedy. If someone sign players, we are seeing and so and Shada NCA Gayansha matches in the dorsal. Into the morning that's what say day before. And then in fan shed Spanish La Liga Santander na matches na Saturday, Sunday na Iradinyame. Barcelona for a winning egg to Jana AC Milan and Torino able to Saturday matches in there. Na drunk kwa nti my boys who bleeding kakra o eno de enye Bed Power for enye problem bebre nemo and say we try no with the Bed Power so the ultra obedi nti eno no AC Milan and Torino able to Empoli and so able 0-0 na enye fieda okay Italian Serie A ne the matches say tutu dwa na Eden South na Udinis and so no any Bologna able 1-1 na say matches ne emo den ye papa na Napoli elusu ye emo be obi an na so no matches ne the Sanet French League and so no matches no do na to Argentina European matches in the Ashase join the Bed Power na disika egubo to me if yama no ne yende in the infantry fie ne hwen sama ekoso enra sunane na NPP 2024 manifesto no omni to Ghana Vice President for the Republic of Ghana Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ono aso na Efrakatuni edema MPP edin sembebra to dwa efa ya gudie ho e chess sports no patches so no ebeye omampehi a Ghana Premier League ebefa no tuma pefra na so no osade nyoma bi begu akwemu a obemo bibia GPO club bia bas mono shepe na omotimi edidi akonyaba
and it's the host with a corner kick in swinging. The header again!
We will support the revival of the Premier League and clubs to improve commercial viability and create related jobs by directing policy through the National Lotteries Authority and the Gaming Commission to establish and fund a sports employment module to assist premier clubs fund operational expenses, including player remuneration. And also we will provide a bus to each Premier League club. And we will build 6 5,000-seater capacity stadia for the new regions, the 6 new regions, and we will build a standard stadium for Sunyani because of their love of football and the many clubs in Sunyani. We will promote school sports by establishing a Ghana School Sports Secretariat to create more opportunities for young people in sports and collaborate with international bodies, as I said.
When in summer, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or Frankatuni at the MPP was also the Vice President for the Republic of Ghana. I know, and someone do now the Tujano subsequent bulletin the Ever Bremo or the Tuja Ewa Takradi and now 2024 NPP manifesto. Now, in summer, Dr. Eddie Tuja was possible and if the agro cry upon Honkakra and the other Mamuyefi, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia also in the infantry and Fiada or than when he edited the TNA Park and as a stadium, not any Fidia Gromobia no Shepherd Stadium. FAE papa na mediama echi Kumase Asante Kotoko ebone kamie no otimo ba ko yenhwe sen highlight no ekoye.
The host with a corner kick in swinging. The header again! Yes! It's a goal! The Diama Sporting Club grab the opening goal here at the TNA Stadium, and the crowd is going wild. give me Albert Amoa. He's one-on-one with Enu. Tries to hold up play a bit. Emmanuel Enchi will send one inside for someone. The shot! A blocked. Kotoko part the pressure. Again, it's someone, and that's the goal! That is the equalizer from the substitute! It's Bernard Samoa! Return. Trying to find space, but Lord Amoa will be the cook for Mediama. It's a long one in from Bavison, who makes the connection, the header! And that's the goal! That is the goal! And the TNS Mediama United, Mediama Sporting Club, with an all-important goal towards the tail end of the game.
Emmanuel Entry Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Monochiawa, Omondono Abadi season, supporters in any age, Omo purchase season in the Brandt and Otisel Lionel Messi, Oboboa, chess of the check passes, not she goes, and if they are gone also after the game, no, then same to just a newly TNA stadium, no, a idea bit me Abwama Ghana football, a funny to my pa, if you're.
Ball Premier League game with Kotoko.
Yeah, I would say honestly the atmosphere here in Takwa, like it's crazy. Honestly, like I really love this pitch. Honestly, yeah. It was very, very intense, and I would say this is just a friendly game. We are trying to build our team, and I'll plead with the supporters to just pardon us for now.
Yeah, na ini enfanche the CAF Confederation Cup etojan and ewo Accra Sports Stadium FC in Swatchemine and omujiro Ghana name officer omo and omji MTN FA Cup na enra omotimi ejiro mo nan so ebo TP Elect Sports ekama miensa TP4 no entimi nsi madaraka we first leg intino na ehu hia so ometimi akọ second leg biem na so ye bon pa second leg so 2 weeks time ometimi abon mo de yenhwe sna highlight no ekoye.
President turning down the left-hand side, he won't support it, it's still DU. Inga the gym is approaching, and there's the opening goal for Swatchemine. Abdul Rahman finally breaks the deadlock. It was always going to be him. The target man hits the back of the net. It's Swatchemine 1. Elect Sport of Chad Neal has the ball down to the goal scorer, Abdul Rahman, to Maida. He goes in, here is Maida, to the middle, Michael Aka, here is Maida, can he score the second? And then Swatchemine have doubled their lead. It's Kwabna Edu Maida who makes it 2-0 for Swatchemine. The perfect start they've been looking forward to in this preliminary round of game.
And now they look calmer. Yep, passing the ball around lovely.
Edu Maida on his bike again. Here is Maida. He goes for the first time. Now Walid. Abdul Rahman makes it 3 for Swatchemine. They are on some demolition exercise. It's only 34 minutes, but the team from Swatchemine are leading by 3 goals to 0.
Yes. And in Swatchemine, Yama Ghana, no, you don't see a bomb pie 2 weeks time, no, or meeting away, so I'm trade rock rana, no matter to the next stage of the competition. And then in the CAF Champions League, so no FC Samates, yes, fantastic team. Omo and Omoji Ghana Premier League in AC1, so almost so 80 me Equa will be man, so Cameroon, Equa ball. Victoria United Ekaba kwa wenti mense madaraka ntino Samates 2 Ghana Premier League clubs are almost see your mind Ghana name no na wotwe omu na omedi nkunmi ehwe sesa Helen do metimi abɔ homode na bibia akɔso dan we ni e de che mbana fam so a the CAF Champions League mbano Hazakes ladies omo eno mujim amo mind Ghana na wotwe omo so etimi ebo kama insia ama last game no ama eno so no AS Grad National, yes, AS Grad National omo ena finije omo ena Hazakes ladies etimi bo meka insia won simu ba kona so no nka insia ne nyina echi no omo entimi unqualify to the next stage so omo to so third with 4 points 2 goals and no entimi embo nko to the semi-finals of the qualification I was saying Ghana for nyina na da so metimi qualify so nkosi aga ntino aha ana omo so metimi edepim ye ntino ma se bibre ye bompa so ma bedu o man Ghana so de o ma kodi vo ha ya e den aba o kira no pa de acha na o ma bedu na bibia akoso amayen nti no mo so o mo de no yen kwa homa ne so de ne the man himself countryman songo steak fireman ono and I join him and anope fire what me come ma ache.
Yeah, fantastic morning, Bibia Boko.
More fire, Bibia Boko. Now, so
Yamina Daruma Bibia fantastic.
Sure, more fire.
And okay, my first taking here. Say a bit to Abania to Abayi. You understand? Or say to me to Aba, na ye to Abayi, na ye sports na a conform Bibia to me. I fantastic. Because your sports conform. My take on say your sports are a conform. The presidential aspirants for back. Normally, no good common. Me fear ye. Me you na you power with me. Just with my president and not buying everything a picture your sports. Being in football, athletics, whatever sports are you doing. Or see be any your dream. Na it me either in president and Nico Amonokua only to me a shame going forward. Ghana sports, because Ghana sports demo. You can't Ghana Selma. When we are talking about Ghana economy or say sports, so you the next sports.
What don't I say?
What do you mean?
Sure, metonka. The okay in Ghana 40 Ghana 40.
Fantastic. It say sports. It's better pin that because your sports perform. Your sports are here perform you papa. Alan, it's how grassroots you know. Obi to me a share na bibi to me I conquer Alan Chamatin team of a president. Or today power infrastructure any senior you beat me up pisca a DIS force Baumia so did the aba Baumia so did the aba how beat me a 6 regions listen to a year sporting facilities how beat me a share up what say the athletics Olympics are you yam fashion ma yam medals be a ma you participate in a set as PS money. What? Senior grassroots and also to say, your football, a point of first Premier League. Premier League, you have a problem by Ghana League. A year football people. Japan Football Association. Oh, the various sporting associations in the and inside Nipenia. Or sports ministry will with me either a or ye expect or wouldn't be able sports or on the ground. Grassroots development or could a book be out in say on from a first person one book in a guide no to many the various sporting associations let me these are also a pija sports. You need sports minister, sir. It won't do man first one as almost some babu tuga. Mahama to can be. So on quite wins the stadium. Whatever see a bit my renovated stadium near. Now, yes, sports let me on no can blast this grass and say a co blasters match via na a normal jegu. Your co blasters match via near a normal jegu. Yes, Omunina can. Omunina ya day. A kahuna sanoma wing in Abba because Mama president or history. You call World Cup. You understand? You call World Cup. And Uristica could say no, a whole blasters in a jigui. Despite saying your thumbs getting our food play. We do baby and a sports minister with me first system. At least Muhammad Tam in your Nilanti Vanderpool. No or ground no or knowledge about sports. I wouldn't a deal also yet to make the boy sports. I'm young, Kuntumpo, and then could be a war sports. I swear, I was sports ministry on the sports. But me, could see a thing. This is where we are. You call Olympics down we are. You Intimian qualified. And Jemeda Kurama. You Intimian co event, we could have finance. Nina ne say ya Ghana ko Olympics of France ya Jeffrey. Ye football. Saying local football siko. Saying national teams in siko. National teams no a jigusa yen qualify ni ebe qualify e kwa ni about the matches ni abefi ye Ghana ni matches. But the taxpayers money there. Na sports ministry. Na a sporting association and employing for no more no much head. No much head. The taxpayers money. It's like they are thinking about the money, but not the success of pay a good most of the economy sports. And then after ye Ghana ha and na ye baba ye elections ha. Befui yes and I may sports say and ye be pija sports say yes, mun pija sports na sports go from ye to abamamwa. But nipa mu be you the personality nipa mu be yino si oni animu ta mu manifesto yina alande ne dia ba mama kanadie ayi ba umi kanadie whatever nipa obedi animu se owonim de e was sports ministry was sports minister ni enkofo mo sports ministry won so experts for mo etc so mo enye siko fans. No more the sports ministry or no more the one thing, one sport, blasters, and also your car. Not much is scared in here. You have a sports minister, or better now, so I'm not getting in say young for blasters in Pisca, young for blasters in new business. It's more than one about football association. Omo ya do money, also scrutinize you, also check you on yet because you be blasters, Sika Swatland. And it's a sports minister between Tam Sika. Taxpayers money abo a tournament. On Jay Sika or the Beko, who could give you back what the figures are say. You better than your music over here. But obey the budget, baby, no tear and perform mamma ball 13 billion old Ghana cities each. Now, that's how you tear the mama, you better day and yet, stadium. Ama a year, other state regions, no. You better then yet to marry no baby, your stadium. You better day and yet me my grassroots. At me yatiti omuye. You better then yet me pija. Yes, sport. When we are just dashing, giving money out because the sports minister in charge, you be able to fire tax, the taxpayers' money. Charlie, and some of the mobile
sure.
Abanso so. You better also see a very too. Until make a take on for some money now on a mummy. Utasi, Kofobi wa kasa keke. Kofobi also thinks a kasa no actually maybe I'm a sports no. If the sports no go for say obi pesi to abama na na presidential aspirant no. Obi pesi to abama mu pa dia. Omu mienti ase no mo kanyina no. Nipa obedi anu mba me good sports minister.
More fire.
Good sports minister.
More fire.
Yetimi ama no ma adedi apreja sports.
More fire.
The sports will form.
More fire.
A league cry about you need sponsors. You need FA people. 1 p.m.
Okay.
Fire for fire.
Okay.
1 p.m. Yeah.
Sure.
Sure. Sure. What the date about the money, but they are so lazy to the sense that the guy the body you sponsors.
Ghana for multi fireman can. All right. Why? So the man, Patrick Osei Ajiman, you can call him Countryman Songo, Fireman, and I don't know at the body Sambrane, or no, and I'm telling you, it was Songo Steak. Watch an again, and we're gonna a good year, also watching Treno, and they say, as I can see, and come out bed power, yes, and I know pay your more, and I'm also saying, 75 against him, and some St. Phillips, or Castle Ghana, and I'm tired, or more, Ego Mufiomo, and I'm sharing Tadia prayer, the beer, but St. Phillips there, would I win each circle, BBA, a betro, I call a good talk, I want and I was on side, I St. Phillips shop. No, I call you on Tadia for sounds like I know. Now 3 years. So Eric Esiedu Bodi ne mame no. Also do BBA, so BBA obe jam no. Multimedia 4, Ghana 4. Also bodi na on timi boni na manensa. Into no sia seda kese ene enfama Eric Esiedu Bodi. Ye danya me ase. So akokra ne mame chi kra ko bi pon na wotwe ewie Saturday no na BBA todwa. Eno so Thanksgiving no FFFFFFF. Tinyame ene da na se ha. Na ebrama me ho kwan na me de agokensem ensem ne simidin atinyame ba. Bernard Paddy Botre.